Hello children, welcome to 9th Chemistry online classes. Is matter around us pure? In this chapter, the last chemistry class, we studied about solution and its properties. And we studied how to calculate concentration of a solution by two methods, mass by mass percentage of a solution and mass by volume percentage of a solution. And today we are going to study about a small topic, that is the next mixture, or next type of mixture. That type of mixture is called suspension. Suspensions. First we see the definition. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the bulk of the medium. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. So here the solution is homogeneous mixture, but suspension is heterogeneous mixture. Okay, and in this mixture the solute particles do not dissolve. So here you can see one example, that is chalk powder. This is the chalk powder. So here chalk powder is the solute, and that solute we put in the solvent, that is water. So chalk powder in water. And then the second picture you can see that this chalk powder, that is the solute, not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the bulk of the medium. So the full medium you can see that the chalk powder. So chalk powder is not dissolved in the solvent or in that water. And when you are keeping that mixture steadily or not disturbed for some time, we can see that the solute particles settle down. Okay, the solute particles settle down. So this is about suspension. So I am reading once again the definition. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the bulk of the medium. So this is called the suspension. So here this second picture is the suspension. Okay, and when you are not disturbed, then only it settle down. Otherwise this is the suspension, and the solute particles not dissolved but suspended throughout the bulk of the medium. That is called suspension. Next we see properties of suspensions. So first property, a suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. So you know that what is heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is it have non-uniform composition and it contain physically distinct parts, that are heterogeneous mixture. So suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. We can see the particles of suspension through naked eyes. That we discussed that first example, that is chalk powder dissolved in water. So we can see that chalk particles with our naked eyes. So the suspension, we can see the particles, or that is solute particles in the solvent. So that is the second property of suspension. And third property, we can see the path of light through the particles of a suspension. We can see the path of light. So that effect is called Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect means the light passed through the media and we can see here. Okay, Tyndall effect. We can see the path of light through the particles of a suspension. So in this picture, the first this beaker contains solution. So in the solution, that is a homogeneous mixture, and to not show it doesn't show the Tyndall effect. See here you cannot see the path of light, but the next beaker that contain suspension, and here you can clearly see the path of light, or we can tell that suspension shows Tyndall effect. We can see the path of light through the particles of a suspension. That is the third point. And fourth point, the particles of a suspension tend to settle down when left undisturbed. Okay, that also we discussed, that chalk powder after dissolving that chalk powder in water and left undisturbed, that chalk powder settled down. Then they can be separated using filtration. So using a filter paper we can separate the chalk powder. So here we can tell that this unstable, the suspension is unstable, but in the case of solution, that solution is stable because we cannot filter it. But here we can filter and we can separate the solute from the solvent, so we can tell that this is this solution is or sorry, not solution, this suspension is unstable. Got it, children?